I made a couple of slight modifications to this Samsung W190 camcorder. This is a 2x telephoto converter. I used to use that for my video camera, and I used some aluminum flashing and I bent it to shape, and there's a adapter that you can screw on to the back of the telephoto, and I just wedge the aluminum flashing in between and I screw it on, and then I just slip this thing onto the camera. So this is a 2x telephoto. The camera has a digital telephoto, but you lose quality when you use the digital telephoto. So the optical 2x telephoto would make this a much more usable camcorder. The other modification I made to it, well, this is how this looks like. I just bent it to shape, and I had a cutout here for the on-off switch over here. And that brings me to the other modification. The on-off switch here is very easy to inadvertently turn on. This is the original switch, unlike some of these other cameras which requires a pretty firm press to turn on the camcorder. This one here, if you just hold it like this, and you can very easily accidentally turn it on because this part is raised. Maybe they made it easy to turn on because this is a you can use it underwater. Maybe that's why. But a lot of times I just turn this on accidentally, and that's not a good thing. So I made this small clip again out of aluminum flashing. This is actually a thicker gauge than the thin silver color flashing. This is originally white, and I just spray painted it red, black, and then I form fitted it to the camera. Have a small cutout for the microphone here, and then I just slip this on, and I just leave a tiny space here so I can turn on the camera with the tip of my thumb. So from now on there will be no accidental turn on of the camera. The other thing you can do aside from the telephoto, you can of course use just a magnifier and make a general close-up lens like this here. And if you want to really do close-up shooting, I have this lens here that I took out from my Epson scanner, and when you use this you can really close in to 1/2 inch and magnify something really small. If you're a smoker, this would be a natural for you. You can hold it like this. Here's the shot without the telephoto lens. This is the same shot with the 2x telephoto converter. There's no darkening of the corner. It's still fairly sharp. Except now it's much closer.